Welcome to Up and At 'em. I'm Miss Wendy. I wanted to say Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. If you're watching today, I'm sure you have lots of cranberries kicking around. What can you do with them? Well, join me with a couple of ideas.
Start with a glass of water. Next, add some fresh cranberries. Hey, check it out, it's floating. Why is that? Have an adult help you cut a cranberry in half. Have you ever investigated the innards? It's got some empty pockets. Next, let's experiment with some carbonated water, seltzer, or 7-Up. Nope, still floats. I wonder, is there any difference between fresh cranberries? And perhaps dry? With some dried cranberries and my 7-Up, I carefully dropped in a little handful of dried cranberries. What is happening here? The bubbles in the soda are carbon dioxide gas, and the bubbles attach to the wrinkled surface of the dried cranberry and makes it kind of float to the surface as if they were wearing little life preservers. The bubbles pop and at the surface and the cranberries sink back down to the bottom, making them appear like dancing cranberries. Whoa, cool, you should try it!
Still looking for more fun with cranberries? Take a bag of cranberries and toothpicks and let's go make some sculptures or letters.
With the fresh cranberries and some toothpicks, you and your family can have some fun. You can have contests to decide if you want to build high towers, or in this case, what is Miss Wendy up to? Let's see. Toothpick 1, 1 cranberry. 2 cranberries, another toothpick. Another cranberry? Kind of looks like a letter V. Wait a minute. Add another toothpick. What? And another cranberry? What is Miss Wendy up to? Another toothpick. Wait just a second. It's a W for Miss Wendy!
So much fun to be had and to discover in the world around you. Just get up and at 'em.
As always, if you discover something cool, tag it at Manlius Library, hashtag Miss Wendy on our Instagram page.